guys, welcome. So guys, I am doing unboxing today. So first of all, this package arrived. Do you guys see how small this package is? You will not believe how much duty I paid on this. I paid $125 for duty to have this thing, not the mailing. The price to ship this into your house is different, but this is the duty, the tax you pay. When I talk about the taxes in Canada, many people say, you're ungrateful. They're using your taxes to work for you. I'm very grateful. I'm not denying the fact that they're using our taxes to provide something meaningful, better resources for us. But come on now, $125 duty for this small thing. After you have paid over $100 to get this shipped for you, you are now paying another tax of $124. Let me see if this company, if it's really worth the price. I have not shopped from this company before. They are called the Lightning Box. So I ordered 4 outfits, and why I ordered this, I had a birthday party and our 33-year celebration this past week, and today is Friday. It took 6 weeks or 7 weeks for this outfit to arrive. The party is all done already, and now the outfit has arrived. Let me see what is inside this quick review. This is the thing, the dress I was gonna wear, one of them. It looks so small. I don't even know if this is gonna size me. But when I wear this, it's turned inside out. God have mercy on me. Okay. Wow. It is very well put together. The sewing is on point. I have a problem here, but in my next video, maybe I'm going to be trying that on. I am not going to wear this right now because trying on the outfit is gonna take a long time for me to try 4 of them. I have to get ready for the next video so that I can try them on. At this time, I just want to look at them and tell you about this company. I love this one because it stretches. It can stretch, but this is not what I saw online. I don't know. I'm not too sure until I try them on. Let's see this one. This one have so many shining. This is the front. Okay, like I said, I am going to reserve my comments until I try them on. Let's check out number 4. Okay, so this is number 4, the 4th one. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 with shipping and everything inclusive. So the price for these 4 outfits with the duty and taxes included is about $700. Does it worth it from the sewing and the finishing that I'm seeing here? I don't think so. The company is called Light in the Box. Light in the Box. That's what they're called, and I think they're based in China, and that's why it took about 6 to 7 weeks for me to receive my product. This does not cut $700 by just looking at the quality of the fabrics alone. Will I buy alone from Light in the Box? No, I will not, because the materials are very cheap materials, the cheapest material you can ever think of. I design too. I know fabrics. I know rich fabrics when I see them. These materials here are not the materials that you pay. Like for example, this one here is $250 and it is just satin. This is just satin. Is $250 for this outfit. Okay, I might end up selling it back at Poshmark, but not for the price that I purchased that for. Sometimes it makes more sense for you to walk into the store, feel the outfit, try it, smell it, instead of just shopping online. But some people live or die by online shopping. Most of the times when I buy online, and to be very honest with you, the things that I buy for $30, $40 from Chick Me and Fashion Nova, they look better than these ones that I pay $200 and something for one outfit. I think this one I paid, this is the cheapest of them all, I paid about $50 for this. And look at the material. The material is one of the cheapest material that you can ever think of. For this outfit, it doesn't worth it for me. And then here is another one here. These things are the quality of clothes. Did you guys see this? Look at that. I'll bring it closer. Look at that. Even Fashion Nova for $30, $29.99. I can tell you, I haven't tried this on, but Chick Me and Fashion Nova have more put together outfits than Light in the Box for the price of their outfit. Will I buy again from them? Absolutely no. I have to see it, feel it before I try it on. So the price does not worth that for me. I don't know about you. I don't know if you have ever shopped from the Light in the Box. Leave your thoughts and your comments down below, and let's take the conversation from there. Thank you for your time, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.